Hello, welcome to my channel. On today's episode, we'll be discussing the topic Beginner's Guide to Data Analysis. So have you been that person who sees charts, who sees numbers in your place of work and you wonder what they all mean? Or you have been that person who want to unlock the secret behind data and you don't know how to go about it? Well, I'm happy to tell you that this video is for you. On today's episode, we'll be discussing the step or the roadmap to become a data analyst. So first, what is data analysis? Data analysis is a process of taking raw data like your number, your informations, and turning them into useful insights that helps you to understand what exactly is going on. So taking it from a businessman, you're trying to predict your sales, it's all about data analysis. Taking it from doctor perspective, trying to collect information from your patient, it's all about data analysis. Taking it at individual level, you're trying to understand your budget, it's all about data analysis. So data analysis is everywhere in the whole world. Your day-to-day activities, making your decision is all about data analysis. So before analyzing, you need to know the type of data you're analyzing. That will help you to choose the right technique. So we have two main types of data, which are quantitative and qualitative data. When we talk about quantitative type of data, we are referring to income, age, and temperature. And when we speak about qualitative type of data, we are trying to describe or talk about product type, color, and the names as well. So knowing the type of data you are working with will assist you to choose the right technique in the process. So moving on, the data analysis process. How does data analysis actually work? Here are 5 steps to allow you to understand the process of data analysis. Number 1 on my list is ask questions. What is it that you want to find out? Number 2, collection of data. Use survey, method, database, or tracking tools in your data collection. Number 3, clean the data. Either clean the data of any errors, either omissions or commission. In the process of collecting data, there might be repetitions and all of that. So you need to clean the data before analyzing. So that takes me to number 4 process, analyzing data. So the data that is collected needs to be analyzed, and in the process of analyzing it, you make use of charts, statistics, or software to analyze the data that you've collected. And the 5th process or procedure or stage is interpretation of data. So the data that is being collected, that is being analyzed, that is being cleaned, now needs to be interpreted. And when you talk about interpretation, you are talking about storytelling. So what is it that you've been able to find out during the process of all collection, cleaning, and all of that? What is it that you've been able to analyze? You have to put it into storytelling, and that will take me to the necessary tools that is used as a data analyst. So moving forward, what are the tools that is needed to become a data analyst? Number 1 is your Microsoft Excel. Excel is very good when it comes to analyzing and organizing small data sets. The second tool you need to learn is MySQL. MySQL is known to be structured query language. MySQL allows you to retrieve data from the database, and it allows you to understand the interaction between database as well. And while you have done that, you need to now move on to learn your presentation tools. In your interpretation, presentation, and all of that, you'll be needing the Power BI and the Tableau. They are super tools when it comes to presentation, because they allow you to build a beautiful and a functioning dashboard that helps you to tell your story to your audience as well. And while advancing, you need to also learn Python. Python makes use of statistics and non-statistics in analyzing data, and it may also make use of structured coding language. So you need to learn some coding style when working with Python as well. So understand these 4 tools at your beginner's level, and while you advance, you get to learn other tools as well. Always remember to start small and advance gradually, and perfect yourself with all these tools. So these are the necessary tools you need to learn to become a data analyst as a beginner at the beginner's level. So at the beginner's level, here are the tips you need to know while you are embarking on the data analysis journey. Number 1, speed is not the right word, or consistency should be your watchword. Start with small projects while progress. Question your data source as well. Visualize your work, your data. Get to practice regularly while advancing. Start with the basis of statistics, because that will be helping you along the way. Learn the basics of statistics. Get to learn the basic, it will help you along the way. Always avoid speed, but be consistent with your work. Question your data source. Learn to practice consistency. Visualize your charts, your work, so that you can be able to tell your story very well and understand the process. So these are just the tips for beginners who want to take a career data analysis work. So this is where I bring this video to an end. So this is your beginner's guide to data analysis. So whether you are a student, a professional, or just curious, data analysis is a valuable profession in the society. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment so that when anytime we post useful video, like, you'll get to benefit. And always stick to this page because we are going to bring exciting and educative videos.